Indiana Court of Appeals has ruled certain Hoosiers can receive religious exemptions to obtain an abortion. As CBS 4 State House reporter Hannah Adamson explains, the decision is not yet final.
In 2022, the ACLU of Indiana filed a lawsuit against the state, arguing that Hoosiers with strongly held religious beliefs should be exempt from the state's near-total abortion ban. A trial court then granted the ACLU a preliminary injunction, exempting 4 individuals and the group Hoosier Jews for Choice from that ban, a decision the Indiana Court of Appeals ultimately upheld. A victory for the ACLU of Indiana after the Indiana Court of Appeals ruled that a small group of Hoosiers should have access to abortion care on religious grounds.
We'll have to see how things develop, but we're obviously very happy with the decision.
Although the appeals court decision only affects the plaintiffs listed in the ACLU's lawsuit, Hoosiers with a sincere religious belief infringed upon by the state's near-total abortion ban would be protected by the decision if it becomes final.
We represent all these persons now, and they should contact us and we can determine what steps to take.
IU law professor Jody Madera says the state can now either seek a rehearing in the Indiana Court of Appeals or take the case up with the Indiana Supreme Court.
I believe that Attorney General Rokita will actually appeal this case to the Supreme Court, and I would be surprised if the Supreme Court does not agree to hear the case.
In a statement, Indiana Attorney General Todd Rokita says in part, quote, "Life is still winning here in Indiana. The case is far from over, and Hoosiers know our office will always fight to protect the unborn." The group Indiana Right to Life says that the court filing was, quote, wrongly decided, and that they're confident the state will prevail against any notion that an abortion is a religious right. Reporting from the State House, I'm Hannah Adamson.
Heart disease is the leading cause